Hi again.
Are you happy to be here, Scarlett?
Yes.
And it's Leah, as always.
Today we are doing. What are we doing?
You're decorating your own cups, right?
Yeah.
We picked up those cups at Michael's.
Yeah.
And we've got adhesive vinyl that we are going to stick on the cups according to the artistic vision of Scarlia.
And we want to thank Cricut for the Cricut Maker.
That we're going to use today. Definitely check out the description of this video. We'll post a discount code for Cricut materials online, which is useful. And it helps support our channel so we can keep making videos for you.
Yes.
So what are you guys going to make on your cups?
Yeah. What do you think you should make?
Well, I was going to do like a little quote on mine.
Oh, like a quote?
Yeah, it can be words, it can be shapes.
Yes. It can be words, it can be... Wait, can I use two?
Yeah.
Yes!
So we found this image of Believe on Cricut Access, and we think it's adorable. But Leah wants to add what?
A mermaid tail, and not to be mistaken with the mermaid tail pillow. It's a literally a mermaid tail.
And what are you adding with Believe?
Adding a unicorn.
So cute.
Yeah.
And we're going to use the glitter adhesive vinyl for those, right?
Yep, we're both going to do Believe in black glitter, and our animals and our tails in pink glitter.
Yes.
Sounds like a plan. Let's do it.
Yes!
So I've done my work.
And it looks wonderful.
Wonderful!
Oh, thank you. You guys are happy with that?
Yep.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to click the big green Make It button in the top right.
Whoa!
One,
So challenging! 3, whoa!
Sorting project into mats. Okay, so now it's saying it wants us to do the black one first.
Can I open it?
Oh, you can open it.
Whoa!
And take the plastic off. I just put it on there so the sheets wouldn't stick together.
So it's sticky.
Okay. And then
So don't put your face on that one. Ah!
when you hit the load button, give it a little push from behind. Not a hard push, but a little push.
Okay.
The magic flashing sea. Are you ready? Okay, do it.
Do it. Now it's cutting out our believe.
I believe it can do it.
Whoa, it's cutting it. So cool. It's so cool when it writes, you can actually see it. Like when it writes, it just looks like an oiled machine. It is an oiled machine! Woo!
Waiting for the cut. There's your letter E.
Okay. This is way easier than Claire's. Like, it's happening way.
We'll have to get those little bits out of the middle of the
Yeah.
letters. That's your basic shape. And there's the second one.
Should I crop this? I did.
You should wear it as a corsage on your shirt. It's beautiful.
Oh, we're good. We're good. We're good. Oh, that was loud. Oh, do you want to press the Cricut?
Dun, da-da, dun, da-da, da-da.
Hey, mommy, long nails. Can you help us?
Long nails? Is that like
You
daddy
help us
long?
get
Daddy long legs?
Can you help us get the corner? Can you get it started for me?
Of course.
Whoa.
That's yours.
Oh, that's so cool. Ours
Details.
both looks really nice.
Yeah.
This is the weeding tool that we're using to get
The like center out of our tails and letters.
here.
Whoa!
eyes,
That's awesome.
Or this.
Ooh, can you hold it still so they can see? Oh. Beautiful! Dun, 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 dun. And then we are going to peel those off and very carefully place them on our cups.
Good
You
job.
start from the middle and then working out to the outside. That looks awesome.
Can I see?
Oh my gosh. I love
You
it.
can make like anything in the
Put it
center.
too low.
I believe in you.
Final
Reveal! This
Beautiful, girls. I believe in the Cricut.
I believe that planet Earth turns slowly.
Custom microphones next video.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Below what you would like to see us make next. See you, girls.
And if you want to see Scarlett again.
Bye.
But if you don't say anything.
Okay, go hydrate, girls.
Hydrate!